Holt tractor. The Holt tractors were a range of continuous track haulers built by the Holt Manufacturing Company from California, U.S., which was named after Benjamin Holt. Between 1908 and 1913, 27 of the first 100 Holt Caterpillar track-type tractors were used on the Los Angeles Aqueduct project, which provided a good proving ground for these machines. Military use. They were widely used by the British, French, and American armies in the First World War for hauling heavy artillery, including the BL 9.2-inch howitzer and the BL 8-inch howitzer. Around 2,000 Holt 75s along with 698 Holt 120s and 63 Holt 60s saw military use during the war. The French Schneider C. Aon and St. Chamond and German S-7V tanks were based on Holt tractors. Specification. There were at least 3 models used for military purposes: the Holt 75, the Holt 120, and to a lesser extent, the Holt 60. The Holt 75 was first produced in 1913. It used 2 tracks for steering. It had a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, 24 km/h, and had a gasoline engine. In addition to U.S. production, 442 Holt 75s were built in Britain by Ruston and Hornsby and Lincoln. Production of the Holt 75 was to continue post-war until 1924. The 120 horsepower 89 kW model had a tiller-type steering wheel at the front that was usually covered. It weighed about 18,000 pounds, 8,200 kg. It was developed in direct response to a request for a heavy artillery tractor. The prototype was produced in 1914, with production beginning in 1915. The Holt 60, which saw limited use in the war, was introduced in 1911. Literature. Holt Tractors Photo Archive, an album of steam and early gas tractors, ISBN 978-1-882256-10-5.